Today's wine text is the 2014 Villa Cipressi Brunello di Montalcino. First thing I want to point out is we do talk about the vintages of Brunello specifically just because there's so many good vintages in the last couple of years. In 2014, out of the last probably I would say 4 or 5 years, is easily the most approachable in its young age. It's a little bit of a cooler climate. While these wines can still age, I think, 10, 15, maybe even 20 years down the line, right out of the bottle, I think these are the most approachable in their youth. Again, 100% Sangiovese from a really cool winery that's been pretty much family owned and run since 1970s. This is actually a pretty cool agricultural kind of farm that started out with bee farming and some other things, olives and things of that nature, and slowly grew into the fine wine world. And now they're making some of the best Brunellos within the region. It's really important to them to kind of have everything working together, which is why the bee farm is actually integrated within the vines themselves. It's a really cool project that they do there. Expect a lot of bright fruits, a lot of red fruit up front, and a lot of that really natural earthiness. From a cooler climate, I think the ripeness of the grapes was dumbed down a little bit, which brings a little bit more of that really leather, earthy, really heavier structured on the savory notes. Expect this still to be really full bodied, so definitely eat it with heavier foods. But like I said, compared to the 2015s, the 2013s, and maybe even some of the higher end 2012s, the 2014s are much more approachable now, and I'm more willing to tell you to be able to open them and pour them right away. Really cool stuff. Enjoy.